Decoding the phrase, hardcover. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, hardcover. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this term and how to use it in everyday conversations and writing. A hardcover is a book bound with a rigid protective cover, typically made of cardboard covered with cloth, paper, or leather. Unlike paperback books, which have flexible covers, hardcovers are designed to protect the pages inside and generally last longer. There are a few reasons why someone might opt for a hardcover. 1. Durability. Hardcovers are more durable than paperbacks. They're less likely to get damaged, which makes them ideal for libraries or collections. 2. Aesthetics. Some people prefer the look of hardcovers on their bookshelves. They can appear more professional and elegant. 3. Gifts. If you're giving a book as a gift, a hardcover might seem more special or significant. 4. First editions. Often, new books are initially released as hardcovers before the paperback version is available. To distinguish between the two, hardcover, rigid cover, durable, might be more expensive, often comes with a dust jacket. Paperback, flexible cover, lightweight, typically cheaper, no dust jacket. It's essential to note that the content inside both versions is the same. The difference is only in the physical presentation of the book. So there you have it. Now you know what a hardcover is, why someone might choose it over a paperback, and the differences between the two. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll feel more confident discussing books and their formats. Happy reading and learning!